Hello, creative kids. Welcome back. Today, we're drawing an adorable, cute, and kawaii Chinese dragon. This interactive video is designed to be fun and engaging for kids, helping them learn to draw while staying on the lookout for hidden surprises. Throughout the video, watch closely as playful, tiny fireballs appear on the screen. Every time you see one, shout "Foo" to send it away. Can you spot them all? This dragon is full of surprises, so make sure you're ready to help keep those sneaky flames under control. Let's start by drawing the dragon's head. We will draw a big circle, but if you are not using a pencil to be able to erase the trace, leave several gaps as I do. Let's draw the snout of the dragon. Draw a curved line at the lower part of the circle we just did. Under it, draw a rounded W shape and add 2 dots for nostrils. Wow! As soon as we draw the snout, the fire is coming out. Quick, help me to put it out. Great job. Let's continue, but don't forget, keep an eye out for the tiny fireballs. Let's draw the eyes of the dragon. 2 big circles each side of the snout. Inside each eye, draw the circles we do for the highlights. Now it is time to draw the ears of our dragon. At the top of the head, draw a wavy line going upwards with a rounded top. When returning, try to imagine you are drawing letter B. That's it, well done. Now let's close it up with a semicircle on the side. Did you know that in Chinese culture, dragons are symbols of good luck and strength? Unlike the fire-breathing dragons in many fairy tales, Chinese dragons are often friendly, wise, and love to bring rain to help crops grow. Some even believe they live in rivers, lakes, or the ocean, where they protect and bring balance to nature. It is the time to draw the body of the dragon. First, from below the head, draw 2 hands. Then draw a curved line to form the belly. At the bottom of the belly, let's draw the feet of the dragon. Did you know dragons can't just fly, they love to swim too? Many dragons in myths are amazing swimmers and are thought to live in deep oceans, rivers, or lakes. Some legends even say dragons create waves with their tails and can dive super deep to explore underwater treasures. Also, dragons are known to be expert treasure keepers. In many stories, dragons love collecting shiny things like gold, jewels, and sometimes even magic items. They hide their treasures in caves or under mountains and guard them closely. So, if you ever spot a glittering cave, there might just be a dragon nearby, keeping watch over its stash. Let's bring in some vibrant colors. Feel free to use any color palette that inspires you, whether it's bold and bright or soft and subtle. Make it uniquely yours and let your creativity shine. Great job! Thanks for helping me keep the fire under control. Let me know in the comments, how many did you put out? Great work, everyone. Nicely done. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content like this. Don't forget to hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. I'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments below. What were your favorite moments? Also, if you have a special request, please leave a comment and I will do my best to draw it. Until next time, stay curious and be creative.